Hi, hello guys. I am Sarika, and let's introduce for Keerthy Reddy and Vikranti ji. So my topic is modern work-life rollercoaster and how to stress feel less for Bach Flower. So please, you guys continue with this.
Yes,
Thank
thank you,
Yeah,
Sarika, for introducing us to this. I'm Dr. Keerthy Reddy. I'm a homeopathic physician. I have completed my MD in psychiatry, and also a bachelor trainer. I'm practicing since 12 plus years, and with a lot of passion to help many people, so that see nowadays everyone is having a lot of emotional turmoil, right? The real thing is when we can bring the people from that turmoil, that is what the real thing is. That is why we are here to give some insights regarding the bachelor in this modern world. Yeah, we also have here Vikranti, who is currently pursuing her level 2 in the bachelor. Yes, Vikranti, introduce yourself.
thank you so much, Dr. Kirti. I'm Vikranti. I'm working as a IT professional in one of the well-known company. I work as a project manager along with that data science lead. And the healing therapy attracts me. That's the reason I thought to get into that one. Enjoying the loving such kind of sessions. And hopefully you will enjoy this session. Let's start it up, the podcast. Hello, Kirti ma'am. As you have introduced yourself as your homeopathic doctor from couple of years. So would you like to give some glance on the what is the batch flower?
Yes, sure. See, in terms of this modern life, we will relate because our topic is related to that itself. See, in this present situation, a lot of many things, everyone is a multitasker, right? Everyone is landing up with so much of stress. Everyone is, as I told you, the multitasker. Everyone is involved in so many things. So deadlines are approaching, right? Anxieties will be coming up, regrets will be coming up, irritabilities will be coming up, anger levels will be shooting at a high level, right? And if we not do that, inferiorities, regrets, and all these things will be there. Yes or no? Everyone are undergoing this kind of things for sure in our daily life. See, everyone wants to lead a stress free life for sure, because everyone, the core intention of every individual is that only. We want to be stress free, but we don't know how can we, with simple techniques, how can we be like that, right? But this bachelor remedies, whatever these are there, right? These remedies will act on those emotions only. So every human being, every individual will be undergoing a lot much of emotional stuff for sure. Like as I said, anxieties, regrets, all those things. So these bachelor remedies work on the emotional plane of the person, so that we can live our life very happily and very freely, not having stuck in those emotions actually. And these remedies are prepared only purely from the flower essences. So these are very natural, and there will be no side effects and no adverse effects at all. And in turn, as these remedies act on the emotions like anxieties, what happens? There are certain remedies in the bachelor, like if you have an anxiety of facing the public, like there is a beautiful remedy called as the mimulus. If we take that mimulus remedy, what will happen? Right, our anxiety will be neutralized, and the courage will be increased, so that we can face the public very nicely. Instant courage will also be given to us, so that we can happily deal with the situations without stucking there. Likewise, for every emotion there are certain remedies, right? So if we take appropriately the remedies, whatever exactly what we are going through, right, we can be free from all those states, right? I think you have your own personal experience of taking the bachelor remedies and seeing the results within you.
Yeah. Okay, I just wanted to know, as you are practicing homeopathic doctor, so how do you think from couple of years you are practicing that, then how do you feel to joining into batch flower, and did you handle some of the cases which will be helpful for the people to overcome with their emotions and like critical cases? Can you able to relate with us?
Yes, for sure. See, there are a wide varieties of cases will be coming to us, right? From mild cases to extreme cases, we can handle with the bachelor remedies. Like, see, the students will come to us like the parents are very much concerned about their exams, right? The my child concentration is not good, like he's not able to focus, he doesn't know what to do next. There is no clarity in life. There is a lot of confusion in that person, right? So when these remedies are given appropriately, the parents are really happy that he could score well, he could concentrate well, he could able to find his goal as well. Similar from these minor issues to that of the extreme cases, like a severe critical case of sciatica, right? And a severe critical case of sciatica, like she was suffering with this issue since 3 to 4 years. She consulted n number of doctors. She consulted n number of doctors, but she couldn't find that particular relief. At that time, was taken to she came to me. She found somehow the number, and she took the remedies also. Later, within like 6 weeks, she is completely off from the medications of all those things, right? Not only this case, like a lady had come to me with a big fibroid in the uterus. Like, it is a not fibroid, it is a benign tumor in the uterus. Actually, benign tumor, a big. Doctor suggested to go for the surgery as well, but the lady is actually having fear to go for the surgery. That's why she searched for the alternate therapies, and finally, and they are into the alternate healings. Their elder sister is into the alternate healing. So with that intention, she came to us, right? Just understanding the emotion, what happened to her. If we listen to her case history, just she lost her 18 years old daughter some years back. See, if we lose our someone close one, that to our daughter or someone else, it is difficult for some people to let go. They will be simply stuck in their issue. Just we have given the remedy for that to come out of that situation. Bachelor remedies, there are certain remedies where we can easily come out of that past traumas, right? After we have with reports, actually, after certain time, like within 2.5 months, almost three-fourth size has been reduced, right? Like that, from minor to extreme cases, we have a lot much scope into this bachelor remedies. Yeah.
Yeah,
Wow.
because of work life is very stressful. And
Yeah, this is so amazing experience you have or case you have handled a patient you have experienced. Nowadays, people are suffering with such a kind of issues very commonly. But I just wanted to check it out, like, as respected to our topic, in the like hectic life, there could be a lot of work pressure from their peers, from their bosses. So will that be helpful for them? Like, can you just give us some
Yes, why
guidance
not,
on
right? See, with everyone will be overwhelmed because of the lot many tasks they are handling, or the pressure they are having. They will be overwhelmed, right? If the task is not happening on time, that is what I told, that anxiety will be there, right? And they will get, if their work is not getting on time, the irritation will be increased, and we will shout on our family members. At the same time, we will shout on our office friend, with the juniors or subordinates, whatever. So that which is spoiling our interpersonal relationships as well, and which is spoiling our productivity and efficacy as well, right? So with these remedies, what will happen, there are lot many, there will be 38 remedies in the bachelor appropriate to our emotion. Like, if you are overwhelmed, you can take the remedy for overwhelming thing, and whatever the associated remedies are there with that, if you take it, for sure you will be able to manage your workload properly, and you can keep your mind at peace, right? You will not be irritated. same time, so that your interpersonal relationships will be strengthened, the harmony of the relationships will be still much, the bonding between the family members will still more be increased, and our focus on the particular thing will also be improved. That is the beauty, right? If the focus is improved, automatically the efficacy and the productivity will be obviously improved, right? So automatically you will be growing in your professional front as well. So all these things will simply happen with this simple bachelor remedies. If we take a proper mix now, if we take a proper mix at that time, definitely we will be able to handle all those things and we can sail through all the situations very easily.
Wow, so nice of it. But if the patient, same age group of the patient, and if they are having same kind of diseases, so will it be helpful for them to take the same medicines?
No, no, right? The emotional pattern, right? See, if we look at a child, two children are obviously different, right? How they behave, how they react, how their anger levels. See, the children born to a same parent are definitely opposite. Definitely, they will not be the same. Some will be somewhere extreme. Some will be very much submissive. It is completely about the emotions itself. We have to see the emotions of that particular person. That is why individualized personal mix will be given. Every patient is different, every client is different. That is why we give approximately half an hour to 40 minutes time to the client to understand their emotional perspective, and then we finalize the remedy, and then we will be giving it. No two persons will be having the same emotions to the same situations. The intensity varies, the perception towards the situation varies, everything will be changed, so the remedies will also change.
Okay, so it is so wonderful to know that. And some people says I don't have any kind of emotions, so I don't need any kind of medicines like that. So how, what do you think?
See,
Do they hide something or
yes, some people will be there, they doesn't want to bother the other people by expressing their worries, so they say everything is fine with me, or they may have the lot of threshold to bear the pains actually, so they don't feel that they don't have worries, right? But see, if we suppress all the things to ourselves, some or other time it will be reflected as a physical disease in some or other part of the body. It is okay to share, right? Why we have to pull up all the things within ourselves, right? It is okay to share to certain extent, right? But the people deny the self acceptance. Okay, what will the person think of me if I share all my worries to the other person? They may see me as low, right? They may take advantage of those issues. That is why the people will be taking a back step, right? To so that they will not share their things, right? But if you look at it properly, if you make them, yeah, it is 100% confidential, right? You can tell whatever, this is for yourself, then they will definitely come up with their things.
wow, so nice to hear that one. And how about the people who are running their own businesses and they're having tremendous pressure? Obviously, as you have triggered that question's answer as well, but they are not able to manage it up. So, how, and in case someone doesn't want in the family, the person doesn't want to take the medicine, and other family members wants, they should get treated. So, do we deal with such a kind of patients?
Yes, right. See, if everyone in the family are getting better by taking the remedies, then obviously the other person, by seeing the improvement in the family members, definitely will come. But he will come for sure. It may take a little time. That's all,
Okay.
right?
So, how long does it take to get it recover completely if the person is having a
It
lot of
depends
anxiety, lot of
upon the,
stress?
yeah, it depends upon the depth of the impression actually. So, but the people will be able to see the difference within few weeks itself, right? But to get rid of the issue, right, completely, how much deep it is, if that much time it takes. But these bachelor remedies, the action is very quick and very effective.
Okay. And the person, if they'll say, I don't have any kind of diseases and I don't want, I'm just believing on Ayurvedic, or allopathy treatment. I don't want any kind of healing. So, do you have something to tell to them?
See, it is like, if you are getting benefited from those things, it is well and good, you can continue with that. But if you still feel stuck and not you are feeling recovered from any of the issues, and you want to give a try and see the benefit out of it, for sure you're welcome, and see the benefits out of it. Right, every system has its own advantages and everything. Right, so it is also having its own advantages. Right, we cannot say this is not good, this is not good. Everything has its own potential. Right, if you are not getting healed of one thing, just try other things, so that you will get you will be able to see the improvement. You, the final and ultimate thing is, you should be free from your own emotional thing, and you should be physically healthy. Mental peace and physical health are very important for any individual, and finally whoever is there, they are striving for that only. That both things can be achieved through bachelor simultaneously. Right, and it is very easy to understand, it is very easy to take, there will be no dietary restrictions or nothing else, and these are very safe to take even during pregnancies or something, or at any phase of life.
Wow, so nice to hear from you. A lot of information we gathered. Uh, Sarika, do you have anything to ask to Dr. Kirti?
No, it is very useful information in that side.
So if you still have the, I think the viewers, the viewer people had, like the whoever the people are watching, they got a lot of information regarding the bachelor. If you still feel that any queries are still there with you, right, or you want to take a consultation, or you want to learn this knowledge, this knowledge can be like, you like this can be learned by anyone. No qualification is needed to learn this bachelor. Right, so
Yeah.
anyone can learn it. Right, so if you still have any queries, you can reach to us. Right, and really really thank you everyone for joining us. Thank you for giving
Yeah.
me this opportunity as well.
I
Like,
would like
thank
to
you
add,
for both of you.
yeah, I would like to add one thing over here.
Okay.
My experience I would like to share over here. I'm recently undergoing with bachelor level 2 trainings, and being as a art of living teachers more than decade, I would say the emotions are obviously get impacted, and being practitioner as a meditation and doing the Sudarshan Kriya regularly, I feel this is the knowledge everyone should gather it, and everyone should learn about it, because it will start healing the people. It automatically get healed by ourselves. I would just say in one liner, if you wanted to experience advanced course plus DSN course, you should always go for the level 2 training with the bachelor we are. I would like to say thank you so much for everyone. And Nikhil, can you please share the scanner on the screen so that people who are interested for the joining level 1 program, level 2 programs, they'll get enrolled into that one.
I think Nikhil is mute.
Okay, thank you everyone, thank you so
Yeah,
much.
thank you.
Yeah,
Okay.
and yeah, Nikhil will be sharing the scanner in a minute. Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for your time. Have a good
Thank you. Thank you, both of you.
Yeah, thank you, bye.
Bye bye.